There are a lot of buzzwords when it comes around training and leadership development. And one of the big buzzwords we hear a lot of is communication. It's essential. It's so important for you and your team. You got to have strong communication. But what does that actually mean? I mean, you can do a master's degree in communication if you want to. You could go for days and days and learn about all the great pieces about communication. But if we were to boil it down to a few simple things, especially related to effective frontline leadership communication, what does that actually look like? For us, it really comes down to three simple things that I'm going to share with you. The first is the right amount of information. Make sure you're not telling them way too much, more than they need to know in order to accomplish the task, but also not so little that they don't really have the full picture and understand how or what they're supposed to even do. The next piece you want to think about is delivering the information in the right way. Is it really formal, like a disciplinary action perhaps? Is it really informal, just asking how the weekend was? Or is it something a bit more emotional? Is it something a bit more analytical or detail-oriented, such as sharing specs on a machine or a calibration that's been recently completed? Think about how you want the person to think, do, or feel as a result of the communication, and that will help you know the right way to deliver the information. The last part to think about is delivering it at the right time. People have lots on their minds, including your team members, and so delivering too much information too early means they might get overwhelmed and maybe forget about it altogether. And delivering it too last minute might mean they feel underinformed and they're not being kept abreast of what's going on with the situation. So you want to make sure that you're delivering the right time for that information. So if we're thinking about it simply, you want to deliver the right amount of info in the right way at the right time. Keep those three simple things in mind and you'll already have better communication as a leader. So get out there and communicate. Follow and like for more practical leadership tips.